गति आओ। यस।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Gati, and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B1. As we all know that today's our topic is about homework, that it should be given or not. Uh, in my opinion, homework should be given to the students. But in present time, which homework is being given to the students in school is not right, because in the schools in present time students as students give homework to copy answers from their books in their notebooks, which is not right, because it has not meaning. I think that homework should be given which is useful for the students, like they should be given some practical work, they should be given to make some notes by themselves,
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा।
and
हाँ, वेरी गुड। हाँ,
they should be given limited homework from which students cannot feel it like a burden. So and they can enjoy it. This type of homework should be given, and the homework should be checked regular in schools, and is teachers should make study a enjoyable and a interesting thing for the students, by which they can't feel the studies like a burden, and they enjoy it. And homework should be given uh, like some project, and like it that from which the students learn and understand the things easily, and which make them, which can able them to understand and think on the uh, studies,
विच
and
कैन
they
मेक
should,
देम एबल। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप, मैं रोकूंगा नहीं, बोलो, सुनना बाद
and
में अपनी। हाँ,
uh, students gave some debate work. Students should be given some debate work, and which study they should be they taught in schools. So teachers should be given them to make some debate points, and teachers should um, organize some debate for them, by which they can think on the uh, by which they can think on the points, by which their thinking capacity increase. So and a practical and useful homework should be given, rather than only curse the things and copy the things, which is not right. Thank you, and
वेरी गुड,
that's it.
बहुत अच्छा बोला। बोलते समय हमें
Okay, sir.
कोशिश तो करनी है कि ग्रामेटिकल भी हम ठीक बोलें, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा नहीं सोचना है ना। आप बोलिए, बस फ्लो आना चाहिए आपका। ग्रामेटिकल भी हो जाएगा आप जब कोशिश करते रहेंगे तो, पर कोशिश भी करें अपन, ग्रामेटिकल उसको ठीक करने के बोलने की कोशिश करें, है ना। बाकी आप सुनेंगे तब आपको बहुत सारी चीजें अपनी पता चलेंगी, ठीक है ना। बाकी बहुत अच्छा है, फ्लो बहुत अच्छा है, आप लोग कोशिश करिए और बाकी के लोग सुनते रहिए। ये नहीं अपना तैयार करने में लगे हुए हैं। जब कोई बोल रहा है तो उसके व्यूज को आप सुने, ध्यान रखिए इस बात को। एक अच्छा स्पीकर बनने के लिए एक अच्छा लिसनर बहुत जरूरी है। इट इज नेसेसरी फॉर अस, इफ वी वांट टू बिकम अ गुड स्पीकर, देन इट इज नेसेसरी फॉर अस टू बिकम अ गुड लिसनर आल्सो। यस, कम ऑन खुशबू।
Yes, sir. Sir, can I start?
यस यस, मैंने बोल दिया तो स्टार्ट कर ही दो, पूछने की जरूरत
Yes.
नहीं होती है। हाँ,
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Khushbu Peswani, and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch first, and I am studying in BCom first year. As we all know that today's our topic is about homework. Homework should be given or not. As my opinion, homework should be given to the all the students, because it is very necessary for the all the students, because they can improve their handwriting, and they can find new words by the help of homework. And at the present time we all know that practical is very important for the all the students, because they can't, if they can't do practical, so they can do nothing. If they do practical, they can improve themselves. And by the help of homework they can improve themselves. And
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
teacher should not given much homework to the students, because they student think they are burden for them. but if they enjoy their homework and they can take interest in the homework,
Hmm.
so they can do their work very easily
Hmm.
and improve themselves.
Hmm.
And at present time, teachers should given notes to making notes to all the students, and to some practical question, find new words, and many other things. So that's why the student can improve themselves. That's it, sir.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
बहुत अच्छा. Nice flow. You are trying your
Thank
best.
you.
Yes, there is a lot improvement in you, and try always to do your best. Very good, Khushbu.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
come on, Swani. And Swani is the student of our latest batch, which is B8, and I always appreciate her for her confidence. She is always ready to do the things. She is always ready. She is always present in the class. So I appreciate her. Now, Swani, come. Yes, Swani.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani. Hello everyone, my name is Suhani and I am student of Rama English Interactive Classes B8 batch.
Hmm.
Today I tell you about homework.
Hmm.
Yes, teachers give homework, but teachers give homework not too much, and interest in and children. And homework is very important for children for self practice.
शाबाश बेटा.
And
Very good,
that's
बेटा.
it.
हाँ हाँ. Yes, बेटा. Keep it up. शाबाश बेटा. ओके. वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा बोला. मतलब बात ये है कि
Okay, sir.
अभी इसको 1 महीना भी नहीं हुआ है पूरा हमारे पास आए हुए. एंड शी इज गोइंग वेरी वेल. वेल डन बेटा. वेरी गुड. Yes, come on. Simran. Simran is also from B8. She is also a new student. Though she has not completed her 1 month with us, but I appreciate her because she is ready to speak here in this class. It doesn't matter much whether she speaks in Hindi or English, but yes, she is ready to express her views. Yes, come on, Simran.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran. I'm reading class 10th and I am from Brahman English classes batch number 8.
Hmm.
Today I tell you why should homework is necessary.
शाबाश बेटा. बोल बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बिल्कुल मत घबरा.
Homework is very necessary for us because it is our learning of way.
Hmm.
But present time teachers do not give too much homework because student feel like it burden.
शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. अभी तो हमने बोलना
By
शुरू ही नहीं
home-
करवाया आपको. यस, बोल बेटा. हाँ.
By homework, parents get her child position.
Hmm.
Teachers give practical homework for students.
Hmm.
Sir, thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बस हमारे लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है कि आपने कितना बोला, बट आपने बोला. आज इतना बोला तो कल आप और भी अच्छा बोलोगे. शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया. अभी तो आपको स्पीकिंग चालू ही नहीं करवाया मैंने. यस, कम ऑन स्पर्श.
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Isparsh Gupta, and I am the student of Brahman English Online Interactive Classes from batch B1. And today I am going about on the topic of why homework should be given to students. According to my opinion, homework should be given to students because it increases the writing and learning skill of the student. By doing homework, we can improve ourselves. Sometimes teachers can't understand that students are understanding their topic or not. But by homework they can understand the level of every student.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. नाइस स्पीकिंग बेटा. यस, कम ऑन. कीप इट अप.
Students should be given practically homework because it helps them to increase their knowledge and
Very
it helps them to फिर जुड़ने को क्या बोलते हैं?
To get a link, you have to connect, to
It
be
helps-
connected. You have to be connected.
It helps
हाँ,
it helps to be connected with the environment and with the world.
very good.
Student should be given homework. Homework. Student should be given homework which related to environment, by which they can get the knowledge of our country, of our world
Of
also,
there उधर दे लगाया ना आपने?
of their, yes sir,
हाँ, कोई
of
बात
their
नहीं.
world also. Students should not be given so much homework, because students take it like a burden, and it can decrease the skill of students. So according to me, students should be given not too much homework, but students should be given homework because it helps in every field. That's it.
Very good. Nice speaking. शाबाश बेटा. Yes, come on.
Thanks, sir.
प्रिया. नहीं, रुचिका.
Yes, sir, start करूं?
हाँ, करो बेटा.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about why should homework should be given or not. I'm aware of it, so I'm telling that homework should be given to the students because it improves their skills and they can develop themselves by it. Homework is very important for the students because it tells about them their position, and by the homework they can learn many things. If they are unable to understand anything in the class or school, then they can understand it practically and at the home by doing homework. And if they think that it is burden, then it is also right, because sometimes it happens that the teacher is unable to understand the feelings of students, and he gives too much homework to the students.
शाबाश. Very good बेटा. हाँ.
Like competition is coming, so it is also not good. Like we take an example of it in the science. Many drawings come, but teacher gives them as a homework it, but it should be not given, because if they will do it practically, then they can increase their sales.
Very good.
Because by the practically the picture of everything and the thing that they can learn goes in their mind
Very good.
easily. By the homework they cannot do it, because they do copy it to the other copy.
शाबाश.
It is also not true, but in the present time so much homework is given to the students, so they sometimes they come in the pressure, and if they do not do homework, then they have to listen the rebuke of the teacher. So the teacher should not be do this also, because if he gives not too much homework to the students, then they can do their homework in a limited time, and the students cannot take it burdenly. And by the homework students have a limited time, and they do study properly. And in the homework we cannot say that homework is too much hard thing. It is, we can take it in an easy way. Like a teacher gives us a chapter, and a teacher teaches us a chapter, and after it he says to do question and answers. Then we should not to do it copy to the other passbook and anything else. We should try to do it ourselves. For it we can read one time chapter, and by this we are able to understand it, and after it we should do it in our language, so that we have not to do it illiterate, and so that we can learn it also easily. I'm not saying to do it illiterate, but it doesn't matter in present time that how you do it. homework improves many skills also, and we should try to do it practically, not to try to do it with a copy anything else. That's all, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. Your flow is very nice. And the most important thing is that what you are learning in our regular classes, you are able, you all, those who have spoken by now, so far, you all are able to use those devices or the things of the grammar that that you have been learning for the last few months. So I am very happy with you all. Those have spoken so far. Very good. Shabash beta, keep it up. Keep it up beta. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Yes, come on Priya.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling about the homework should be given or not.
Hmm.
So I think homework should be given because it is necessary for us, and students. It is the resource of knowledge by which we can get knowledge also. Homework by which we can by its our writing capacity is also perfect and our listening capacity is also beautiful. If a student should be done homework by enjoyful, because if they do not homework by enjoy, so they can feel tired and burdened. So teachers should be given homework. So teachers should not given homework too much. So that's it.
So okay Priya, try your best next time. I hope you will do it. Don't worry.
Yes.
Don't discourage yourself, but try to make yourself better day by day. This is the main thing. Okay? Keep it up, beta. Shabash. Harshit, come on.
Hello friends, my name is Harshit and today I am telling about that homework is necessary or not. I think that homework is necessary for us because it improves our skills and it helps to improve our writing to be most beautiful. But sometimes teachers give them much homework, so students don't do the homework because they think that it is burden, because students need
Nice speaking,
time.
beta. Very good. Yes, come on.
Students need time to do anything like watching TV and playing games, so they think that it is burden and they don't do. But I think that it is a good thing because through it students learn many things, and sometimes teachers give them homework that of books and teachers say them to do it in your copy, so it doesn't increase their knowledge because
Very
they
good.
copy their books answers in their notebook, so they don't do it easily, they do it clearly, and they don't think that it is necessary for us. That's
For
all,
them.
sir.
No, बेटा बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश बेटा. सबसे छोटा है तो यहाँ पे मतलब 7th class का है. You belong from 7th class and from the latest batch. But his speaking is very nice. His sentence framing is very nice. Shabash beta, keep it up. Very
Thank you,
good.
sir.
Very good beta. Shabash beta. Yes, come on Payal.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Payal. Today I am telling about homework be do yeah, not and not. we should be given homework because it help us to identify shortcomings till later.
शाबाश, बोलते रहो आप, आराम से, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। यहाँ
This will speed up our writing and it helps us to identify our mistakes, but should not be given so much homework that lose his interest. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट। पायल,
Thank
नाइस
you, sir.
स्पीकिंग and you are improving.
Thank you, sir.
Today's your improvement is very nice. Keep it up.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
come on, Divyanshi.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling about that homework should be given or not given. I think homework should be given for all students because by it students improve their writing and they improve their learning and learning power. But present time teachers give too much homework to the students and students do their homework on the passbook and many students do not do their homework. Many students do not do their homework and they copy their homework for other copy and by it they not understand anything and homework should be given limited and teachers should given practical homework and students do their homework honestly and they not copy their homework from anyone and that's
Very good. Nice speaking. Keep it up, बेटा। शाबाश बेटा, बस आपको करते रहिए आप, है ना, और मैं तरीके बताता रहता हूँ। I always tell you the ways how can you improve your flow and your speaking, and you all should always try to do your best. Always, this is the main thing. Okay, keep it up बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, very good. Now Jyoti. Yes, come on Jyoti. Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Class Batch First. Today I am here to tell about some views on the topic what is the importance of homework and why should we be given or not. I think homework is very important for all students because without homework they can't understand all things, because in the classroom teacher teach fastly and speak speedily many words, so many students can't understand all words and can't understand proper that what is the thing is teaching in the classroom. So when the teacher give homework, then they can understand that why they can understand all things by the homework, and the teacher also should check, and teacher also must check the homework properly, and teacher give all types of homework like practically and written and teacher gives and teacher should give homework, but he think that the homework is not much, so sorry, the homework should not much, because when the homework is because the homework will be much, then the student can't then the student will not do properly, and they think that homework is much, so they can't they can't give attention on the homework, and
Very good.
they can't they can't read, and they can't do it. So homework is increased day by day much, so teacher also think about the students that homework is the that homework should be in the limit, so student can do easily, and that's it, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking, but sometimes you hesitate. Try to avoid
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes. Your speaking is very nice. Keep it up. Very good. Yes, come on, Priyanka.
Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today is our topic homework, that it is good, yeah, no. According to me, homework should be given students, because it is so important for all the students. Students spend our more time
There.
in school for 6 to 7 hours. Different books are taught in school by the teachers. So should be given all the students. Should be given all the students. By the homework, students learn more new words. More new words. It is so beneficial all the students.
Very good.
So all the students by the homework teachers determine all type of students. Homework improve skills. We can in this present time we can see easily that this is corona time, so all schools are closed. All schools are closed. Most of the students take online classes, but most of the teachers in online classes, they don't give homeworks. So because of it, most of the students are losing our image, our knowledge without exam.
Third person use
Their knowledge without exam. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking. Good thoughts. Keep it up. Shabash beta.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, come on. Dilkhosh.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Dilkhosh Mina. Today I am telling about homework should be given. I think homework should be given because it improve their skills and knowledge. It is very important for us because children takes much knowledge by it. But present time some teachers give much homework to the children, so that children can't much homework. So teachers can't give much homework. So that's all.
Very little. Dilkhosh, your performance is not satisfactory. Please try to do better next time. Okay? I don't know what is the matter, but you are losing your performance. Beta, try to do better next time. Okay, come on, Neha.
Yes, sir.
Hello friends, I am Neha Sharma, and today my topic is homework is good or bad for students. according to me, homework should be given to the student. It is very beneficial for students. It improves our handwriting, and it it improves time management. It increases our ability of thinking and memory. And it is a type of revision. What do student study in the school? It improves, it increases discipline in students. And but I am in favor, teachers should not given so much homework to the students, because of this, students get away from physical activity. It's a cause, this comes headache, depression, stress, etc. And they cannot complete their homework on time. Thank you.
Very good. Nice speaking. Keep it up. Shabash. Yes, come on. Nisha.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am telling about homework should be given and not. I am a student, so I think that homework should be given because it is very necessary for us, and it is very useful to us, because it has to us our handwriting and reading. But present time is teachers give much homework to student, and student take like a burden. It is not good. So teachers give very few homework to students because they can do their interest. And it is very useful because we can get knowledge by them and by them. And homework is very important for us because teachers teach us in many chapters in books, and they can get many knowledge, and they can improve in ourselves by the homework. That's it.
Very good. Nice efforts. And when you get it on YouTube, please try to listen it carefully so that you can know where you are making mistakes. This is my advice for all. Okay? And try to make yourself better day by day. There is no one perfect in this world, but through practice, you can do better next time. This is the main thing. Don't be discouraged by thinking that today I was not able to speak properly. But as much as you make practice, definitely you can make yourself perfect. Okay? Good going, Nisha.
Yes,
Keep it up. Shabash. Yes, Karina.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Karina Narwani. Today I am telling about homework should be given or not. Homework should be given. It can help you know more about the things that you are learning. But much homework is not good for students because students want time to spend with family and friends too. Benefits of homework are it can help you with lot of things that you are improving your skills like vocabulary, writing, and
Make your voice clear, beta. Yes, come
homework
on.
is homework is essential for our learning because homework help us to revise things that we learned in our class or in school. Homework not only help us to revise our learned concept but also help us to increase our brain capacity.
Good.
In this modern period, children are so much included in so many different kinds of work,
Very
and
good. Very good. Yes. Shabash.
they develop a headache and many problems.
Shabash.
And all these kinds of things, homework also adds on, and they have so much stress. That's all.
Okay. Good speaking. Nice flow. Nice sentence framing. Keep it up. Shabash. Yes, come on, Tamanna.
Hello everyone, I am Tamanna Meena. Today I am going to tell about homework. Homework should be given or not. According to my opinion, homework should be given to the students because it improves their writing skills, and if students do their homework carefully, when they revise it again, they can revise it easily.
Shabash. Very good.
I am not in favor to given students too much homework. They should given homework should be given like useful
टूल्स ऑफ टूल. हाँ बोलो कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप बोलो.
Teacher give them too much homework, they don't spend their time in playing and do their other activities. They feels homework as a burden on them.
Yes.
They feel headache. So useful homework should be given to the students. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking. Keep it up. Yes. Very good. Yes, come on, Sonam.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Sonam Meena. Today my topic is homework should be given or not. Homework is very important for us because it is very useful for us. Homework it should be given of all the students, but present time many schools are given homework via the online classes, but teacher do not given too much work of the students because students think that homework is burden for them. So teacher should given homework, but
Should give. वो एक्टिव वॉइस है बेटा.
should give
एक्टिव और
homework,
पैसिव का ध्यान रखो आप. हाँ. Yes, बोलो.
yes, sir. But not much more. Although homework is very important to us because it is learning way develop our skills and increase our knowledge and improve our writing skills, etc. Because of it, students find learning capability and its help, time management and skills are increased, and it helps us we can identify our mistakes. Homework helps student to learn or revise again what have studied in the classroom. That's it, sir.
Very good. अच्छा है, आपकी कोशिश अच्छी है बेटा, पर आप अभी और कोशिश करो. अभी आप वर्क फॉर्म में गड़बड़ कर जाते हो आप, है ना. So try
Yes.
to do better. Okay, yes, come on.
Yes.
Now Ashfaq.
यस सर.
कैमरा चालू कर ले भैया. हाँ हाँ
सर बोलो.
बिल्कुल बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishfaq Khan. I am from BET. Today I am telling about you why children should be given homework, because it is necessary for children's, and this is good for children's writing.
Shabash.
And it is also it is also important for children's education.
Very good. He is just a new student. He has not completed his 1 month even with us.
Yes, sir.
But your confidence is good. One day you will speak so nicely. Ashfaq, don't worry about it, that how much today you are able to speak. But I think and I hope that one day your enthusiasm and your willpower and your interest will take you ahead. Nice speaking. Keep it up. Shabash. Yes, come on, Koinur.
Yes, sir.
Koinur,
Hello,
अपना
everyone.
camera. Yes, come on. Start करो.
Hello, everyone. My name is Koinur, and I'm the student of Raman English Online Interactive Classes from batch B8. Now, today our topic is homework should be given for the students or not. I think homework should be given for the students because homework is very necessary for all the students. Homework is given by the teachers for the students to do at home. By the homework, our handwriting and knowledge is also increased. Homework helps a student to remember what they learned. Some students say that homework is a waste of our time and that they do enough homework at school and home. However, it is often believed that homework is important for a student because it may help in their exams and education.
Very good, very good. Keep it up. Shabash,
Homework
beta.
helps parents to get to know about their children progress in their study. That's it.
Very good. ठीक है. शाबाश. Keep it up. कोशिश करते रहो बस, और क्या है. ईमानदारी से कोशिश करते रहो, ईमानदारी से. इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए आपका. इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. ध्यान रखिए, आप जितना भी आप लोग बोल पा रहे हो ना, दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज यू हैव इंटरेस्ट. जितना इंटरेस्ट होगा उतना बोल पाओगे आप, और केवल एक बोझा मान करके आप करोगे तो फिर कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. ध्यान रखना, आप अंदर से आपका इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए, आपकी इच्छा होनी चाहिए. सीधी सी बात है, लाइफ में काम आएगी ये चीज. चलिए आ जाइए. वंश.
Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग. बोलो बेटा.
I am a student of Ramban B8. He should be homework because they will learn do work. They will correct their mistake.
शाबाश. हो गया बेटा.
Yes, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. आपकी 2 लाइनें ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. योर 2 लाइन्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. डोंट वरी, एक दिन होगा जब आप बहुत अच्छा बोलोगे. ठीक है ना. अभी तो हम आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज्यादा कर नहीं सकते बिकॉज इट हैज नॉट बीन मच टाइम. सो ओके, बट नाइस स्पीकिंग. आज आपने कोशिश की है, मेरे लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, है ना. यस, कम ऑन अंजू.
Yes, sir.
आ जा.
I am Anjali Meena. Today my topic homework should be given or not. Homework is very important all the students.
For all the students. हाँ बेटा बोल.
For all the students. Because it is very useful for us. Homework should be given of the student because
To the students. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
Homework, there are many things to homework. Homework is learning of way and develop our skills and the knowledge.
यस, हो गया बेटा. हाँ बोलो.
It's improve our handwriting.
हाँ.
It helps we are punctual, so it is very helpful for us. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है आपने. Your efforts are important for us. It doesn't matter much whether how you are speaking, but your efforts are more important for us. Very good. चलिए, और कोई है